Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how I built an automatic agent using n8n, Google Drive, Google Gemini, and Pinecone. This automation watches a folder in my Google Drive. Whenever I upload a new file, it automatically extracts the text exist in the file and splits it, generates embeddings using Google Gemini AI. It stores these embeddings into Pinecone, so my AI agent can use that Pinecone data as a memory. Okay, let me start with the step one. The step one is Google Drive. This is the Google Drive trigger node, and its purpose is automatically runs the workflow whenever there is a new file is uploaded in a specific Google Drive. Okay, let me show you how to create this Google Drive trigger. For that, you need to click on the plus icon that is exists on the top right and search Google Drive and select the Google Drive here. On click of the Google Drive, you will get a one node with the Google Drive trigger as a name. On double click of on it, it will ask all the credentials that are required to connect with our Google Drive. Okay, it is asking for the credentials that I have already given. Even you can create a new credentials that you will get from the Google Cloud Console. Let me select the credentials that I have given. As soon as you given the credentials, it will automatically fetch the folders that exist in your Google Drive. Okay, let me open my Google Drive. As you can see here, this is my Google Drive that I have connected. There are many folders. Google AI Studios, Google Ed, testing, etc. etc. And you can see all those folders here. Okay, let me select the testing that I want to test. After that, that's it. After giving these credentials, just test this node whether it is working correct or not. On click of this, as you can see here, node execution is successful. Okay, let me connect the new node for this Google Drive trigger, that is download file. This also we can get from this sidebar. After selecting this download file node, on click of it, it will also ask for the credentials that we have already given. Same credentials that we given for the Google Drive will applicable for this download file trigger as well. As you can see here, I am giving the JSON ID that we are getting from the previous node Google Drive trigger so that it will process and download the file and it will convert to binary so that the next nodes can process that binary data. The next step is Gemini embeddings. For that, we need to add the Google Gemini embedding node that we will get from here. On click of here, just type Gemini embeddings. So as you can see here, embeddings Google Gemini. On click of that, a new node will get added. This node generates the embedding using Google Gemini. The purpose of this node is this converts the text chunks into numerical vectors so Pinecone can store and search them. I connected the Google Gemini API credentials here. On double click of here, you can see here I have given my Google Gemini API credentials. Uh, at the first time, you will not get any credentials. For that, we need to create new credentials. On click of it, it will ask for the API key of your Google Gemini that you will get from the Google Gemini API key website. And the next step is recursive text splitter. As you can see here, there is a recursive character text splitter is there. The purpose of this recursive character text splitter is it will convert because when we pass a large document, we cannot be embedded at once the large document. So this node splits the text into small meaningful chunks. On double click on it, we can select the size of the chunks and the overlap of the chunk. I have selected the 2000 as a chunk size and overlap is 200. And the next step is default data loader. This node loads the binary file downloaded earlier from here and converts that into a plain text. On double click of it, as you can see here, it is asking for the type of the data. I have selected the binary because we are converting the document or a file into a binary format. So the default loader will ask we need to select the same data type. And the final step is Pinecone vector store. This is where the real magic happens. This node inserts the embeddings into a Pinecone. Okay, let me execute the flow whether the data will be saved or not. Okay, let me check how many records are exist in the Pinecone. As you can see here, I have selected n8n previously and there are 3 records are already exist. If I run this flow again, we need to get one more record because in our Google Drive there is a one record is only one record is existing. Let me execute the flow. As you can see here, one by one, the node is executing and we got workflow as executed successfully and one item is inserted. Let me open this n8n and just refresh and let me open again. As you can see here, the record count is filled. Finally, the Pinecone vector store saves all these embeddings into a Pinecone. This is where the AI stores into memory. Later, when I ask my AI agent anything, it searches this memory and gives answer based on this file uploaded. That I will explain in the next video how, how we will create our own AI agent based on our memory.